in terms of which is better. It ultimately depends on your individual circumstances and goals. Almost every client has been asking about it, so today let's clear all about it. Both Abu Dhabi and Dubai are popular destinations for physiotherapists due to their rapid growth and development in the healthcare industry. However, the best choice depends on various factors such as personal preferences, career goals, lifestyle, and job opportunities. Starting with exam details. License exam for Dubai is DHA and for Abu Dhabi is DOH, previously known as HAAD. DOH or HAAD exam is comparatively harder than DHA exam. You should know that the DHA medical license is valid only for Dubai. Remember, the UAE medical license exam will depend on the emirate you wish to work in. For example, you must apply for the HAAD license to operate in the Abu Dhabi healthcare sector. HAAD, generated by the Health Authority of Abu Dhabi. This license allows you to practice in the cities of Abu Dhabi and Al Ain, while MOH, granted by Ministry of Health. This entitles the holder to practice anywhere in UAE apart from the Emirates of Dubai and Abu Dhabi. Can I transfer my DHA license to HAAD or can I work in Abu Dhabi with DHA license? So, as you can't start your procedure just after passing your DHA exam, first you have to be on job with DHA license. Secondly, you should spend at least 6 months on the job and fulfill the requirements needed for transfer. Let's talk about job opportunities. Both cities offer numerous employment opportunities in private clinics, hospitals, sport clubs, and rehabilitation centers. Abu Dhabi is the capital and has larger population, which means there may be higher demand for physiotherapists. However, Dubai is major economic hub and attracts more tourists, which could also create job opportunities for physiotherapists. Let's talk about salaries. Both cities offer attractive salaries for physiotherapists. Salaries can vary based on experience, qualification, and the type of healthcare facility. Generally, salaries in Abu Dhabi may be higher with better allowances. Talking about lifestyle, Dubai is known for its vibrant lifestyle with luxurious amenities, numerous entertainment options, and cosmopolitan atmosphere. It offers a diverse and multicultural environment. On the other hand, Abu Dhabi has a more laid back lifestyle without compromising on the quality of life. It offers a family friendly environment, beautiful beaches, cultural attractions, and a slower pace of life. Talking about cost of living. The cost of living in both cities can be high compared to the other cities in the region. However, Abu Dhabi may have a slightly lower cost of living compared to Dubai, particularly in terms of accommodation and transportation. Let's talk about work environment. Physiotherapists in both cities can expect to work in modern and well-equipped facilities with access to advanced technology and treatment methods. Work environment are generally of high international standards. Talking about professional development, both Abu Dhabi and Dubai offer opportunities for professional development and continuous education. You can find workshops and training programs to enhance your skills and knowledge in both cities. Talking about cultural considerations, both Dubai and Abu Dhabi are in United Arab Emirates and adhere to Islamic traditions and laws. It is essential to be respectful of local customs and practices when living and working in either city. Ultimately, the choice between Abu Dhabi and Dubai depends on your personal preferences and career goals. Consider factors such as job opportunities, lifestyle, cost of living, and your preferred work environment to make an informed decision. It may be helpful to visit both cities, explore the local healthcare industry, and network with professionals in the field to gain more insights before making a final decision. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. And yes, don't forget to subscribe this channel.